We're going to make a 5-number summary from some data given to us in a stem and leaf plot using our calculator. So the first thing we need to do is make sure we know how to read a stem and leaf plot. Now this means this part on the left hand side of the line is the first digit in a 2-digit number. I'm going to assume it's a 2-digit number. On the right hand side is the second digit of the 2-digit number. Now sometimes you'll be given a key that says 0.7 means 0.7. Here we don't have a key, so I'm assuming that 0.7 means 7. What I'm going to do is go to the calculator. You can see there's some data left in here. Don't worry about that. We can just overwrite it. And I'm going to call this M for mortality. Delightful subject. Here we go. M for mortality. And of course, I got that by going to the keyboard. I'm going to take the caps off, go to these letters here to get my M. Okay, now I'll just resize that down here so I get the whole big thing. No, it doesn't want to. Never mind. Okay, let's put in the numbers. So my numbers will be 7, 7, 9. Then the next one will be 1, 0. So 10, 10, 10, 10, 12, 14, 15, 20, 21, and 25. So I'll just check that. Now you see here I've got 13 numbers, but the question tells me there are 14. So I've missed something out. So let's double check. 7, 7, 9, 10, 10. There's 4 10s. There should be 2 12s. So I'm going to now put my second 12 in. 14, 15, 20, 21, and 25. You've got to be careful when you put in the data that you have the right number. And almost always in the question, it will tell you how many data points you should have, so you can match it up with how many data points you actually have. Now what we're going to do is, because we're looking for the 5-number summary, we're going to go to Calc up here and hit Calc, and we only have one variable because we're looking at the mortality rate. We're not comparing, so we just have one variable. And my list of data is M, so I'm going to hit that. When I say OK, I get all this information. Now, there's some information that will be useful later on that this question hasn't asked you for. So I'll explain what that is. This X bar here, that's the mean. So it says here the mean is 13. This SX here, that's standard deviation. Now we're going to talk about that soon. Standard deviation for this is 5.463, whatever. If I go down here, my 5-number summary will appear as these 5 numbers. My minimum, Q1, median, Q3, and maximum. So my 5-number summary here will be 7, 10, 11, 15, and 25. That's where I will find that information. Quite often there are exam questions asking you for the mean and standard deviation of a set of numbers, or a 5-number summary of a set of numbers, and you can always find it in there. The 5-number summary is also great for you to get up on the calculator when you're looking at a large selection of numbers to make sure you get it right, and you'll use that when you sketch your own box plot.
If you found this video helpful, please subscribe or like. Thanks.